Okay, good morning students. Let's start our discussion regarding the next point is discuss about nylon only. Very important one is nylon. Look at students, when you say the nylon name is there, the name of nylon is coming to two countries name is but the word nylon is derived from the New York and London only. Why they mention nylon, New York and London means at the same time they prepared the one synthetic polymer. The synthetic polymer by using of the coal, air and water, they prepare the one type of fiber that's called as nylon. Say nylon only. That's what they call as nylon only. Remember students, once again repeating at the nylon. The name of nylon is coming from the New York and London only. Okay, but one point remember next one is there now. Then nylon is formed due to the condensed polymer only. Remember nylon is as a condensed polymer only. What a condensation polymer means, whenever two monomer molecules are joined together, they leave as a water molecule or hydrogen chloride in subproduct will come. Okay, general considered byproduct will come. In the finish of the byproduct but condensed polymer only. And some one heteropolymer only. Okay, heteropolymer. Why means two different monomers are joined together, they form a polymer only. Look at one is there one point remember students it is formed by the condensation process only. Next one it is a polyamide. Very important students, polyamide. What is the amide bond? Nothing but C double bond go NH. When you saw this kind of arrangement is then you can say very clearly this is amide bond only. It is a amide bond. How amide bond is conforming means whenever acid molecule and amine molecules are react together. Look at the students, very important mechanism also. Look at from the acid one OH group is leaving, from the amine one H2 group is leaving, both they will give one water molecule. Both when we form one water molecules only. So remember what whenever the two acid and amine group join together, they form a amide linkage. It's called amide linkage only. That's the called nylon 6 comes. There are two types of nylons are there. Nylon 6 6 only. Nylon 6 is the homopolymer. Nylon 6 is a copolymer only. Nylon 6 is a copolymer only. Students, whenever they combine to form a amide linkages and losing of the water molecules will take place only. In both conditions of nylon 6 also amide linkage is possible. Water molecule also leaving possible. Water molecule leaving also possible only. Students, once again repeating at that, I am discussing about nylon. The name of nylon is derived from the New York and London only. Nylon is a condensed polymer only. By condensed polymer they release a water molecule whenever amide linkage forms. Then nylon 6 also both will form amide linkages only. What is amide linkages? Whenever acid amine react together by elimination of water molecule, one new function group is coming. This is called amide function group. R C double bond NH. R is called as a amide function group only. Then remember students okay students, let's start our discussion regarding the nylon 6 only. Very important students. Nylon 6 also called as a perlon. Nylon 6 also called as a perlon only. Perlon Germany name only. This is a Germany name only. Students, you consider that in nylon 6 what happened there? New York and London only. The name is derived from the New York and London, but it containing of 6 carbon atom. Only there. Look at it is a polyamide fiber. I'll discuss about nylon fibers are very strong fibers only, like the threads. They have less elastic nature will be there. Okay, next one is nylon wires are used for the making of the nets also, then making for catching of fish also. Look at this. Next one is the generally nylon 6 preparation takes place 2 steps are there. First one is the formation of monomer. The monomer is very important called caprolactam. The monomer is called caprolactam. The polymer is called as nylon 6 only. The polymer is called as nylon 6 only. Remember students, the nylon 6 nothing but amide polymers only. What is amide polymers and condensed polymers only? Okay, next what I mean, you can say the water steps that takes place here. You could see the nylon 6 nothing but orlon, or general nylon 6 is the perlon. Look at perlon, not orlon. Perlon is there no formation of monomers only. Look at how formation of monomer nothing but caprolactam. How caprolactam form nothing but you can see very clear. I said no, nylon 6 contains 6 carbon atom only. Why how 6 carbon atom nothing but is contained both amine group and acid group is there. Both amine group and acid group is there. You can see very clearly here one acid group is there, COH group is there. 1 carbon atom, 2 carbon atom, 3, 4, 5 and 6. But 6 carbon atom contains NH group is there. So what happens there? From the NH2 group, one hydrogen is going, one OH group is one acid group, one OH group is going. What happens there when the both is happen? Similar way here also. Whatever we discuss here, look at here. From acid, one OH group is leaving. From N, one hydrogen is leaving. What happens whenever the water molecule leave, they form one bond. They form a one bond only. Similarly, what happens there? The aminocaproic acid. This name is also called as a aminocaproic acid, aminohexanoic acid. Look what happens. Consider here the concept what they replacing of one hydrogen atom with gamma carbon atom by NH2. Look at what happens here. One hydrogen atom is replaced with one amine group when it forms only. Okay, na? When it forms. Look at consider this kind of threads only. This kind of the threads only. Then students, what happens? Look at the very important one. Okay, now the students say that look at consider nylon 6 in the formation of monomer. How the monomer form message very clear no? From here one hydrogen is leaving, from here one OH group is leaving. Look at here, consider that when OH group and hydrogen group is leaving, they undergo dehydration process. They form cyclic. This cyclic carbon atom is caprolactam only. Look at this one is containing amide linkage only, no? C double bond NH group is the amide linkage will be there, and also we can see very clearly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atom. In the ring itself NH group is there. Ring itself NH group. This is called as a caprolactam only. This is called as a caprolactam only. Next one, remember students, when you take caprolactam, what happens when such repeating unit group combining together form a polymers only. What happens when I take caprolactam, when you pass that, look at temperature. The temperature is 553 kelvins, 533 kelvins to 543 kelvins in the presence of nitrogenic atmosphere condition. In that atmosphere origin, 4 to 5 hours, you just keep here the what this kind of repeating units are joined together. What happens this kind of repeating units joined together form a nylon 6. You can see this is nylon 6 only. Remember students, very important nylon 6 formula C double bond O CH25 N. Look at the amide bond is there, CH25 is there. This kind of arrangement is there, that's called nylon 6 only. This kind of arrangement is called nylon 6 only. Next one is then the properties of nylon. Then the properties of nylon only, it is crystalline and insoluble in the hydrocarbon solvent only. Very important. It is crystalline, insoluble hydrocarbon solvent, resistant to dilute acid and base only. They won't react with the acid and base only. Generally they have the good tensile strength is there. Generally it has the good tensile strength also will be there. Next one, remember here the what happens consider the generally nylon 6 are then example at the brushes and scrubbers. Look at these brushes and scrubbers are there, no? They are made up of the nylon 6 only. Ropes and fishing nets also made up of nylon 6 only. Ropes and fishing nets are made up of nylon 6 only. Textile industry also made up of nylon 6 only. Textile industry also made up of nylon 6 only. Paints, coating in the industry also made up of the nylon 6 only. Paints and coating industry also made up of nylon 6 only. The students remember very important, but caprolactam structure is very important. Caprolactam structure and also polymers only. They will ask, they will give this polymer only, they will ask what is the monomer only. You have to say caprolactam is the monomer only. Caprolactam is monomer. Next one is very important one, nothing but nylon 6,6. The name itself given in the nylon 6,6. Nylon, the name is nylon from the New York and London, already you know very well. 6,6 why the represent means no, it contains of the 2 monomers are. The 2 monomers contain 6 carbon atoms are. Set on this is polyamide, and very well nylons are polyamides only. Then you could consider this nylon threads only. You can see very clearly swimming suits also is there. You know, consider this also nylon only. This cloth also nylon only. Here 1-2 monomers set no. It's generally you know very nylons are amide linkages only. There are 2 monomers are there. One is adipic acid, hexamethylene diamine only. When adipic acid, hexamethylene diamine undergo condensation process, they form a amide. That amide is called as a nylon 6,6 only. Nylon 6,6 only. Look at very clear only from what happened from here onwards. One OH group is going, from here one hydrogen is going only. This takes place mechanism is there, step by step mechanism is there. Okay, if you want note down, others no need here. Look at what happened is consider from here OH group one hydrogen is leaving, they form a one amide linkages only. Look at what happened there when initially base plus acid react together from salts only, no. After salt formation water molecule goes away. But here one H group is moving to ammonia, they form ammonium only, NH3 plus. Sorry, ammonium is NH4 plus only, ammonia is NH3 only. So what happens there when they react together, when heated process is in the very heating process by losing a water molecule. This salt is by losing a water molecule they form a nylon 6,6 only. It can form a nylon 6,6 only. Students remember very clearly here the amide linkage is there. Amide linkages. Nylon 6,6 is copolymer. Why copolymer means two different monomers are joined together. Cause heteropolymers also cause possible. The next one is then the properties of nylon 6,6 only. What is the properties of nylon 6,6 material? They are strong and extremely tough only. They are strong and extremely tough. Look at this. Look at the gloses are there. No, the gloses are there. Very strong. You cannot cut with knife also. Next one is then resistant to dilute acid and base only. Generally won't react with acid and base also. Generally possess of good elastic properties only. Okay, elastic nature also will be there. Next one is then here generally they have the high tensile strength. Generally used for the textile industries also. This parachutes also made up of nylon only. I said very great textile industries also. Fishing nets also, ropes also generally made up of the ropes of the parachutes also made up of nylon. Ropes of parachutes also made up of the nylon only. This is very important students. Nylon 6,6 and nylon 6 only. Nylon 6,6 and nylon 6. Okay students, let's start our discussion. Here also polymers universal. In this session I am going to discuss about the topic covered within this module mathematics, terylene. And the terylene also called Decron only. Terylene or Decron, synthesis of terylene, properties and uses of the discussed right now. Synthesis of terylene, properties and uses of the we will discuss right now. First point, look at the students consider that terylene also called as a Decron in the USA. Generally, terylene is also called as a Decron in the USA. Generally, you know very well, nylon is a amide polymer. Terylene is a polyester polymer. Terylene is a polyester polymer. Generally, esters having a fruity odor. How esters form is whenever acid plus alcohol react together. Whenever acid plus alcohol react together by leaving the water molecule, they form ester only. Next, formation due to the condenser polymers only. Why they call condenser polymers means because whenever acid plus alcohol combine together, they leave a water molecule. This is a polymer fiber. This is a polymer. Look at this polymer fiber only. This is a terylene. Is a you call it terylene. You know where terrycloth cloth are, you know the terrycloth cloth is made up of the cotton plus terylene only. This one point terylene also called as a Decron and the US only. It's one acid function group, one alcohol function group, both react together. They leaving the water molecule and they form one ester. Okay, esters only. Esters are fruity odor. You know students, you know very well how to identify the acid function group in the organic chemistry experiment. Whenever acid plus alcohol react together in the presence of sulfuric acid, it gives a fruity odor. Only. Then students, the next point is remember here the terylene. You know very well terylene also called Decron, also called as Decron in the USA. Formed with the condensation polymerase process. Is it very clear? No, condenser polymerase process only. Why you know very well? Whenever acid plus alcohol react together, they leave the water molecule and form a ester. Look at how can you find ester in the R C double bond O R R C double bond O another ester linkages only. Next one, remember here the very important one is terylene and Decron preparation also. You look at the terthalic acid. Terthalic acid look you consider one benzene is there and you consider the two acid groups are there. One acid group is there, both are para position. Here one is there, here one is there. What happens this acid functional group react with methanol, one hydrogen is leaving here and one OH group from alcohol is leaving. What happens there by lead dehydration process happen. Esterification process, dehydration process happen. They form a dimethyl terthalate. They form a dimethyl terthalate only. Once again, depending on the terthalic acid. Terthalic acid nothing but benzene content two acid functional groups are there, both in the para positions only. What happens this acid functional group react with some methanol is there, no? By leaving out the water molecule, they form a esterification, they form dimethyl terthalate. Forms a dimethyl terthalate only. Next one, what happens there? Consider the ethylene glycol molecule react with dimethyl terthalate. What happens is under polymersvid process happen. So what happens from here? One OH group is leaving, from here methyl group is leaving only. Look at the monomer for Decron is ethylene glycol plus DMT. The monomers in the ethylene glycol plus DA. This both will combine is they leave one methanol molecule. Look at it very clearly here. Ethylene glycol is one monomer, DMT is one monomer. DMT is dimethyl terthalate. dimethyl tertiary. What happens here? From here, one CH3 group is leaving. From here, one OH group is leaving. What happens? Methanol is leaving only. You can see very clearly. Methanol is leaving only. What happens there? Whenever this both leaves, what happens there? Ester functional group is formed. Look at the ester functional group is formed. So what happens there? This one is process happen continuously. This is nothing but a decaron only. Once again, repeating students remember here very clearly. Look at first one is first step is what happens there now. Look at tertalic acid react with methanol. The form a dimethyl tertalate only. This dimethyl tertalate is one of the monomer only. This DMT react with the ethylene glycol. This DMT react with the ethylene glycol by leaving up the one methanol functional group at the temperature 503 kelvins and catalyst in the zinc acetate. Okay, zinc acetate is catalyst in the antimony trioxide. Antimony trioxide. They form one polymer dihydroxy diethyl tertiary only. The process will be continuously takes place. They form a polymer is called terylene only. To form a polymer is called terylene only. Students, the next important one is here the terylene or decaron only. The properties we will discuss right now here the general resistant to chemicals only. Generally they are the resistant to chemicals only. They won't react with chemicals and heat also, light also, microbes also they won't react. Next one is they get dried quickly only. Very synthetic polymers are less absorb the water. They are dried easily only. Next one is example of the textile industry you can use. Fishing nets also you can use. Magnetic tapes also you can use. Recorder also you can use. Magnetic tapes also, recorder also you can use. Next one, students, very important. Preparation of bakelite. Bakelite preparation mechanism we are going to discuss in detail only. Once again, repeating the preparation of bakelite mechanism we are going to discuss in detail only. Next, students, look at this one is look at here the polymerization of the bakelite can be initiated in two different ways only. Generally, what are the polymerization process? Initiation step will be there. The initiation step here carried by the two methods only based on the catalyzer. Acid catalyst. Look at here the base acting as catalyst only. Your acid acting as catalyst only. Bakelite is the copolymer of the phenyl plus formaldehyde. This is very important. Bakelite is the monomers. Generally monomers of phenyl plus formaldehyde combined together they form a bakelite. Phenyl plus formaldehyde combined together form a bakelite only. Remember students very clearly here. So remember it's called phenyl. This is called phenyl only. Take one benzene group and one OH group is called phenol only. What happens? This reaction is initiated by the base also initiated, acid also initiated. Here I am taking the base, sodium hydroxide. What happens? Very well phenol is acidic nature. Whenever sodium hydroxide added, what happens? The dehydration reaction happen. One water molecule leave, they form a sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide. What happens? The sodium phenoxide and dissociation is there. Look at the consider the phenoxide ion generated. This phenoxide ion react with formaldehyde. Formaldehyde formula is C double bond O H and H is there. What happens? Because of high electronegativity, the bond where electrons moves towards oxygen. Oxygen gets negative charge, carbon gets positive charge. Or also you can mention it clearly. This pi bond is break into the positive negative. What happens? Already is negative is there. Here positive is there. Both will combine the form a. Look at the one linkage will form the form a. Look at the answer this one molecule only. The form is called orthohydroxy methylphenol. Orthohydroxy methylphenol only. So what happens? This step will be takes place. The polymerization process happen. Some other method also there. If you take acid also. Okay, if you take acid is a catalyst only. What happens? The acid molecules produce H plus atom. This H plus atom approaches the oxygen and they form a carbocation. This carbocation is react with the negative part of this phenol and undergo polymerization process. Under polymerization, look at the one side the attachment will happen. And look at the hydrogen will shift to the spaces. Regarding this mechanism, we will discuss in the sessions only. Okay, when we go for class session, we will discuss there. So what happens? You consider with the formula 1CH2OH is there. This polymerization nothing but bakelite formation only. By the either using of acid or base also, the bakelite formation takes place. Students, once again repeat here the look at here the what happens? The phenoxide ion generated. How phenoxide ion generated? Nothing but if you use the base one. This phenoxide ion initiation reaction takes place. So what happens? This for positive and negative charge forms they will attach. Similarly, what happens here acid injection step is then we are taking is acid catalyst here. Okay, look at the overall mechanism is there. Overall mechanism phenol plus formaldehyde. If you use the acid and bases, they form a orthohydroxy methylphenol R to para hydroxy methyl phenyl. Look at which one is functional group is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because 5 and 6 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 2, 4, 6 trihydroxy methyl phenyl only. 2, 4, 6 trihydroxy methyl phenyl only. Look at consider this called bakelite. General bakelite and orthohydroxy methyl phenyl only. Orthohydroxy methyl phenyl. This is called novel. Why novel method? Orthohydroxy phenyls both are joined together. They both are joined together. They make this kind of arrangement only. They make this kind of arrangement. Students, no need confuse here. Remove one hydroxyl group here, one hydroxyl here, and we will combine together. Both benzene rings are there. This is nothing but novel only. Whenever novel agents are under polymerization process, finally we get the look at whenever novel agent undergo further polymerization process, they form bakelite only. This is form bakelite only. Students say by seeing structures are we feel very confused only, but no need to confuse either. No? Once look at here, the one benzene is there, one OH group is right here. You can write CH2 group here, CH2 group here, CH2 group here. That's it now. If an OH group is there, CH2 group, CH attachment is there. This is nothing but bakelite only. Then nothing but bakelite. Generally, what I mean the bakelites are used for the making of the electrical switches. General bakelite is for the making of the electrical switches. Plugs also, CDs also, varnishes also, gram for recorder also they use only. For gram for recorder also they use.